Hi guys.
Hello, boys.
Welcome back. I have a few people with me this time around.
Oh my gosh, we can take off masks now that we
Yes, we can take off the mask.
Hi.
Did you miss us? I'm back. Guess who's back? Back again. Shady's back. Back again. Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Oh, welcome, welcome. We have a few people.
Welcome for finally joining us.
Where is she? Can you
Johnny?
see? Lebo, can you see yourself? Hi. Hi. You can take off the mask now. I'm so scared. Oh, you're so scared. Oh yeah, did you get Coco? I did. Oh, shame.
Johnny?
Hello.
Hi,
How are you? When I say hi, Iggy. Iggy. Do you wanna say hi?
Who has the best immune system?
Hello.
Shame. And she was stuttering.
Shame. Is it? Oh yeah.
Someone cut the plastic.
Okay, guys. If you are new, usisahau to subscribe, comment, and like the video. Okay? It's been a minute, guys. It's been a minute. So what we are doing today is a hike, which I haven't done in a minute. I haven't taken my one.
Yeah, please part.
We are out here. My hands are full. So we are hiking with a gang. I don't know if you can see. I need to fix this cap.
It's lazy, it's young.
I need to fix it.
Half the packet is air, thank you.
Yeah, guys. I've been gone. Life has just been about lockdown. I've been in 1,000 lockdowns, guys. And now we're finally going out hiking.
Oh no.
This is the first time you have seen me after 10 years, guys, and they bring you to a hike.
Like, yo, come back, go.
I will bring you guys. Huh?
It's really dope, man.
It gives like a nice
Werewolf type of vibe.
It can't be. I think there's a bigger one. It's a lot. It is. Here it's quite slippery. Be careful.
You even recording? Guys, be careful.
Keep holding on to something.
Yeah, hold on to something. Okay, and then hold your hand down there. Yeah. Continue holding. Continue holding down. Yeah.
I can't hold this.
Awesome. Okay. It's risky, no?
You trained.
It's slippery slope.
Is this the right way to go?
Yeah. This is the only way. Yay! 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 20! Yeah, almost pulled the yam. Yeah!
I took a
She almost pulled the yam. And I have it on video.
You have it on video? Hey, you can
This is Sparks Dynamite.
guys done. Oh, that is so cool. Oh, there you have it. Guys, we made it up top. We made it up top to the waterfall. How are we gonna get back down?
We're gonna roll down. We're gonna
Guys,
roll down.
it is steep. Let me show you. Let me show you what we are seeing.
One looked like they were struggling.
So we were down there. Do you see the waterfall? We were down there. Now we need to walk down. Into the thick of it. Into the thick of it. Oh, boom, boom, boom.
We're marching through the bush.
On and on we push
Into the thick of it. Don't you think that's it?
and we don't hear where we're going. I actually don't know how that song goes.
I think it is.
I just know into the thick of it. Into the thick of it.
Definitely that part of the song. They should be. Guys, the lyrics are son. Get on, Nane. They sound appropriate.
I think we are coming towards the end of the hike. We started off with a 6 kilometer, and then when we got to the waterfall, we wanted to continue further and make it 9 kilometers. We got lost, and then we had to whip out our phones and find the right trail. And yeah, I think we're almost done. I'm happy the sun is not completely out. Like, you can feel the warmth, but it's not like scorching sun. We started the hike what time? But you can't actually use our time because we spent hours doing like photo shoot by the waterfall, so our time is just skewed. But yeah, we're almost done, guys. We're almost done. Then hopefully there is somewhere to eat because we are hungry, super hungry. Guys, this is a really good way to, you know, get them miles, walk, stretch your legs from all that, you know, a million lockdowns. Guys, I swear we've had a million lockdowns in South Africa. My goodness. Oh, so it's nice to stretch our legs, you know, go and walk in this land we do not own and see what is there. Right now it's dry, nothing much to see, rocks. It's Rockville and waterfall hike. That's how much, guys. There are no animals that we have seen so far. But if you wanna come for the nice walk, definitely. It is a little bit challenging, you know. There are some areas where there are rocks and all of that. But it's nice. It's nice. 6 months later.
How many kilometers do you think we have done?
We've done what, 15 here?
It can't be. It's Libopine.
Yeah, I think.
How are your legs?
Mine? They're amazing.
They're
I've got
amazing.
sexy legs. Look at that calf.
And then Miss Island.
Huh?
Miss
I have
Island.
no comments, thank you.
But Island
She knows herself.
or
I have
Ireland.
no comments, thank you.
You have no comments, Bella?
But this is not 9 kilometers.
It's longer.
No, it's not longer. You just spent a lot of time at the waterfall. I feel like if we continued walking and we didn't linger there, we spent an hour there.
Yeah. No, it's like photo shooting. It's like content creation.
Literally content creation.
It's
Selling the
not
pictures 100 rand is not.
okay. Then phone and I have nice ones on my phone.
Here are my animals, guys. I am rich. My Labola cows are roaming free. My Labola cows.
Oh my gosh.
This
You're
is
wearing red, Dokas.
Who is behind these things? Why are they running?
They're not running.
Why are you running? Why are you running? Why are you running? We are done. We are tired, guys. Yo. It ended up being a 12-kilometer rather than a 9-kilometer. Like everyone is just dead. Oh my goodness, guys. I should go and hike. Look it up. It's called Kings Kloof in Mulder's Drift. Make sure, I don't know, the signage is not that clear, fam. Ne? Eh, bus. The signage in the hiking trail, it's not that clear. It's clear.
Yeah. You're just not reading it.
Okay. So guys, go and check it out. I will see you later. Subscribe, like, comment. If you are new, please subscribe. I need subscribers, guys. Please tell your friends, tell your family. I promise, guys. Like, I'm gonna be more consistent, okay? Like, now the country is open, so hopefully we can gallivant, you know, more. So we'll see. Bye.